Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 not launching on Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, locate the Steam icon on your desktop and right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click on Run as Administrator. This ensures Steam has the necessary permissions to make changes and can help resolve launch issues that might be caused by restricted access. Once Steam opens with administrator privileges, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the window and click on Library. This will take you to your game collection, where all your installed and available games are listed. Now, I don't actually have Battlefield 2042 in my library list, but I'm going to show you the next steps anyway. Let's pretend that I have Battlefield 2042, or that I'm using Battlefield 2042 for this demonstration. Right-click on Battlefield 2042 in your library and select Properties from the drop-down menu. This opens up the game settings where you can adjust various configurations. In the Properties window, look for the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game. Right beside it, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle this off. Turning off Steam Overlay can actually help as a troubleshooting fix because sometimes the overlay interferes with the game's launch process or causes conflicts with other software running in the background. Next, look at the left panel of the Properties window and click on Installed Files. This section contains important tools for managing your game installation. Here, click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is a crucial step because Battlefield 2042 can fail to launch if EA app files didn't install correctly, if a recent update didn't download fully, or if your antivirus removed or blocked a file. The verification process scans all game files and automatically replaces any that are missing or corrupted. You'll need to wait a moment while Steam checks all the files and makes any necessary repairs. Finally, you also need to update your GPU drivers. Outdated graphics drivers are a common cause of games not launching properly, and keeping them current ensures maximum compatibility with Battlefield 2042. And that's it, you've tackled the most common reasons why Battlefield 2042 won't launch on Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.